In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a stock on Webull app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to tap on Markets at the bottom, and then you want to go to Discover up top, and then select Stocks, which is the first blue button on the left. Now, from here, you want to select your stock. At the bottom, you can search for it. For example, if I go and search for NVIDIA, as you can see, it's going to find it. I can just tap on it, and then from here, I'll be able to see basically the charts and stuff like that. And now at the bottom left, if you have an account open, it's going to say trade, okay? You'll be able to trade from there. I'm just going to open up my paper trading because from here, it's going to be the exact same way. So let me actually go to paper trade. There we go. And then stocks, and I'm going to search for NVIDIA yet again in here as well. There we go. And now in here, you'll be able to, at the bottom, see kind of this trading. So it says side. You have to select if you want to buy or sell. Of course, if you want to buy a stock, just tap on buy. Select a limit or a market order. So a limit order will basically buy or sell at the specific price you specify, but the market order will do this at the current price of the market, okay? I'm going to do a market right now, but if you do limit, you can also specify your limit price at the bottom, just below where it says limit, okay? Now, whenever you do that, you have to select the quantity as well. I'm just going to do 2 over here, and then time in force as well. Just tap on trade or buy or sell at the bottom, whatever it says. For me, it says paper trade, and that way your order is going to be filled and you've successfully bought the stock, okay? Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.